Today we are going to learn sequence and series. We have a very common question that is normally featured in IB and SAT examination. A sequence is given, that is 6, 6 root 2, 12, 12 root 2, and we need to find out first term of the sequence which exceeds 1400. So when we see this sequence closely, we observe that it is a geometrical series where r is root 2. So we have multiple ways to solve it. I'll share three ways to solve it. You can use whatever way you like. So let's go to table menu. That is the first way we are going to solve it. And let us write the equation for this geometrical series. So it is easily seen the nth term of a series would be 6 times root 2 raised to the power n minus 1. So I can call it x minus 1, right? Okay, so that is what the series is, and I would like to plot this. So you can see when I'm plotting from 1 2 3 4, the fifth term is 24, and let me just go back and change from 1 until, let's say we'll make it till 20. Okay, let's plot it once again. So fourth term is 16, 7th, 8, 10 terms, 15 term, 20, 20th term is 4344, right? But we need when x is 1400. So you see 10,000 is 16th term, 17th term is more than 14. So the answer is 17. That is one way to solve it. That is algebraically. Let's just see it how we can solve it graphically. So we can go in and we can plot a graph here, and the equation is taken from the table, right? So let's plot it. So this is plotted. What we can do, because we need to check out when it exceeds 1400. So what we can do, we can plot another graph here as y equals to 1400. Okay, and we can see, let's find out the point of intersection by g solve. Okay, it says that it's cutting at x equals to 16.73. The 16.73, the value of y is 1400, so definitely the next value of x would be 17, and y value would be higher than 1400. So 17 is the correct answer. Or here you can try using trace function as well, and using trace function also you can find out the values, right? So 17, you see 16.428 is 1260, 16.7 is 14.06. So the next integer is 17. That is where the sequence exceeds 1400. Alright, so hope you like this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to know more new videos. Thank you very much. Bye bye.